Good morning, my little pudding butts. Here we go. All right, so this is the fourth day that we've been doing these problems. So you should be getting pretty good at these by now. Remember that all problems should have a bar model, okay? That is a fifth grade initiative, and we find that it really helps the kids understand these big, multi-step word problems. All right, here we go. Jeff had 3,427 votes for mayor. Ryan had 4,598. What is the sum? All right. So we don't know the total. We have no idea. Okay. And we don't have equal parts. One is slightly less than the other one. So we're going to draw two bars. The first add-end is 3,427. The second add-end is 4,598. Okay, these two numbers added together will give you the sum. Here we go. So I've got 3,427, and I'm going to add it to 4,598. I'm going to add them together. 7 plus 8 is 15. Leave the 5, carry the 1. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Leave the 2, carry the 1. This is 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1, and then this is 8. Your answer is 8,025. Make sure you put a circle around it. There you are. All right, so Paul has twice as much money as his brother Phil. All right, again, write out Paul and then write Phil, okay? And we don't know how much Phil has, so give him a box. But we do know that Paul has twice as much, so give him twice as much, all right? All right, so what else do we know? Well, we know that all together they have 18. So take $18 and split it between these three boxes. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So put 6 in this box, 6 in this box, 6 in this box. That means that Phil has $6 and that Paul has $12. And indeed, that is twice as much as that. And indeed, 12 plus 6 is 18. Now answer the question. How much money does Phil have? Phil has $6. This is Phil. Okay, make sure you answer that part because they're going to try to trick you on your quiz. Okay, we were on winter break for 16 days. All right, here's my bar for 16 days. I slept late on 7 of those days. So draw yourself a little bar here. You slept late for 7. So write SL. What fraction did I not sleep late? So fill in over here. Well, if I slept late for 7, I did not sleep late on 9 because 9 and 7 give you 16. The question says, what fraction of our break did I not sleep late? 9 out of 16 days. I did not sleep late. I know those seem really easy, but trust me, if you're not paying attention, it is possible to miss it. All right, here we go. So the sum of the measure of the angles in a regular hexagon is 720. Okay, this is a regular hexagon right here. Okay, it has 6 sides and all of the angles are the same measurement. Okay, so remember a regular hexagon is where all the sides are equal. And I'm going to tell you a hint. If all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal too. All right, so do we know the total? Yes, we do know the total. So the total is 720. All right, and we have to divide 7. It wants to know what the measure of each angle is in a regular hexagon. So we have to divide this into 6 equal angles. If you're dividing into 6 equal angles, you need to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, okay? Now what you have to do is you have to tell what the measure of each angle is. Well, do we have the total? Yes. Do we need equal parts? Yes. So that means you need to divide. 720 divided by 6. 6 goes into 7. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, you get a 1, bring down the 2. 6 goes into 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract, you get a 0, bring down the 0. If you bring down the 0, I like to tell the kids in my class, if you bring down the 0 from the playroom, everybody knows about, how some houses have the playrooms or upstairs. If you bring down the 0 from the playroom, you better play with it 6 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 6 is 0, subtract. So each one of the angles in a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. You have 6 obtuse angles that are all 120 degrees. All right, here we go. Last one. Ms. Schaefer's class has a goal of 1,000 AR points this marking period, but so far they only have 377. How many points do they need to get each week to meet their goal if there are 7 weeks left in the marking period? Okay, this is a lot of words, and it is a multi-step word problem, but just start with what you know. All right, their goal is 1,000. All right, put their goal right here. Their goal is 1,000. How much do they have so far? So far, they have a small amount towards their goal. They've done 377 towards their goal, and they have all of this left to reach their goal. So I know the total that they need. I don't have equal parts, so I need to subtract. I'm going to take 1,000. I'm going to subtract 377. I'm going to bar all the way across to the 1. It turns into a 0. Then this is a 9. This is a 9. And the last 0 can become a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is, no, sorry, 9 minus 3 is 6. All right, so they've got 600. Oh, wait, no. No, that's right. Okay, so I'm sorry, that's right. So 623 left. Okay. They still got to earn 623 AR points, okay? But it says they've got 7 weeks left. So it wants to know, if we divide all of this out over 7 weeks, how many do they have to read each week? So underneath here, draw another bar. And if you want 7 pieces, draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that was too many. So I'm going to black that one out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that made me 7 blocks. All right. So I have 623, and I've got to divide it into 7 equal parts. All right. So I'm going to come over here and do the math. I've got 623, and I'm dividing it over 7 months. All right. 7 cannot divide into 6. I'm going to cross it out. How many 7s are in 62? There are 8. 8 times 7 is 56, and when you subtract, you get a 6. Then bring down the 3. 7 goes into 63 9 times, and I'm done. So each week, they're going to have to get 89 points if they're going to reach their goal. Okay, 89 points each week. So the answer to the question is, how many points do they need each week to meet their goal? They need to read 89, and I'll circle that. All right, guys, good luck on your quiz tomorrow. I know you can do it. I'm proud of you. We all are. All right, stay safe. Bye, guys.